What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today is Saturday, NorCal CRX Owner Tribe Monthly Meet at the track. So today is the showdown between me and Christian Garcia, a buddy of mine that has a CRX with a GSR swap, 75 shot. He gets the bottle, I get the slicks. He's running NT05s. It's a friendly race, no grudges, no hard feelings, and we are all out there to have a good time. So what I gotta do right now is I gotta load up the van, get the trailer, hook up the trailer, lights. I gotta load the CRX up. I'm gonna pull my wheels off, put my skinnies on because I didn't do that yesterday, and grab all my tools and necessities and head towards my buddy Brian's house, which is another CRX owner's member, and grab a set of tail lights that I may be possibly selling for him. I am tired. Did a straight shot over here. My ass is wet. Oh shit, here we go. Another day.
What's up, man?
How you doing? Everybody at? Got Carlos. Yeah, Stevie with the low ass checking bar again, you know what I'm saying? I'm surprised.
Fuck that battery too.
Okay. Let's see your motor mount real quick. For some reason, my motor, my thing sticks out of the damn. Oh, you got innovative one here. That's why.
Yeah.
That's what's up.
Yeah, carbon fiber hood is. I'm gonna tell you, man, our cars are very similar.
Yeah, I sold my carbon fiber hood. It's straight red right now, but you know, same wheels and everything. I like it. Hell yeah. Straight H swap, and his motor stays under the hood. I got that blue valve cover too. That's what's up, man. I like it. Well, gotta offload my car, throw my slicks on, get it off the trailer, and take it to tech, and then I'm gonna line it right away. We want to do a friendly run with the subscriber right here. He also has an A swap, so should be a pretty good one. And we're still waiting for Christian and the rest of the pack because they're not here.
Route 30.
We are all slicked up. Got Christian right here. Chad just showed up as well. I'm pretty sure there's several more people to come, but this is what I'm going to be racing today. NT05, 75 shot in the back, stock GSR. It's going down. I did a 260 foot because I couldn't find my second gear. I threw it in second. I don't know if you guys can see this in the camera, but as soon as you go into second gear, super squishy. My cable is stretched at the transmission. So once I get past this second gear, like I'm holding it in, I have no gears whatsoever. I don't know if you guys saw it in that last pass, but as soon as I hit second, there was nothing there at all. Look, too much slack. So I'm gonna try to send it again. So you got the you know, the organizer about to run that ass, boy.
He's the purist, bro.
The purist. He had to check his oil and everything. I didn't even do that. Hey, what are we looking for? I got a helmet and fire jacket if you need it. Was this like a sleeper, like 600 horsepower? Watch when he turns it on, it's like dumbass quiet. Oh, we got some other members that pulled up with him as well. We got that one right there just pulled up. That thing looks mad as fuck. I gotta check it out. It's got like a slanted hood that makes the headlight make it look like it's all angry, and then it's got an EG wing on it too. I gotta check that out. That's different. Is your alarm going off? Never mind. Lane 7. Find that guy with the wheelchair. Oh, I'd totally drive that for sure if I can afford it. Chad's going for his first kill. Was it like a Cobra or something? SVT maybe? They knew Chad was too fast, so they gotta let him run by himself. Oh, you know he plays Need for Speed or Niddle. Oh.
I'll go 16. I'm saying 18.
End power right there. Wow. Dude. Wait, hold on. Is that an LS swab? Am I tripping? Not bad. All right, so this guy right here pulled up, and we originally thought it may have just been somebody testing tuning today, but he actually is a part of the NorCal CRX owner, and he came out here just like all of us. And I did not know this thing was freaking turboed.
Make it worth your while, man.
Yo, look at this water to air intercooler. See, look, the reason why I thought it wasn't turbo because I didn't see the intercooler, but there it is, right there. That answers all my questions. That forward-facing manifold, though. This is it, guys. This is the grudge race between me and Christian. The last pass of the day. Last pass of the day. How was your first experience on the track?
Awesome. With my boy Dana.
It was so awesome. He went the first time, we went back into the line, and then he came back. He was like, you guys need to get back in line, so we did. Today's tri-monthly meet. Well, obviously it's a tri-monthly meet, but it's also the grudge match between me and Christian. And we just went up, ran our last pass. I did a 13.1, he did a 13.4, and this fucker was coming fast. He was on my shoulders the whole time, and
I can smell you.
He could smell me. But nonetheless, we had a great pass for damn sure. The event's over right now. It's like 5 o'clock, so we're done pretty much for the day. We're just kind of hanging out real quick. They're about to start grudge match, which is self-explanatory. Grudge match, which is mostly muscle cars. But we didn't pay for grudge match, so we're done for the day, for the most part. So we're just gonna hang out a little bit, eat a little bit, bullshit, take some pictures, and we'll cap out our day. Everybody's done racing. Chad, you had a blast, didn't you? You did like what, 2 times? Yep. You did like 6, 5? 6. I did 3 times. So we're just grubbing right now and just kind of enjoying the rest of our day. Guys, look at this prehistoric looking camera right here. Not even sure what the heck this thing is, but I tell you what, the quality is sick. I don't know if the camera can pick it up. Look at that. Oh yeah, the GoPro can pick it up for sure.
Oh, did it stick?
This thing is bad. Each cartridge takes 10 photos or 10 films. Photos only too. It doesn't shoot video, but that is so badass. My boy Chad right here is rocking a 10K shirt, bro. Look at that. He's probably the only one that has a clean one left. Yo, Grudge Fest is getting fucking cracking right now. But I didn't have the extra $30 to pay for Grudge Fest. And we are packed up. So I am 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 people left of the whole group that we came here with. And I must say, we had a great time. And you know, huge shouts to Chad for really like putting all this shit together. I know Chad has been asking me to help put this event together too, but I've been slacking on it. I didn't even make the flyer for the most part, but you know what, we still made it happen. We out here, we all had a blast. I think about more than half the group raced today, right?
Huh? Yeah, more than half.
Everybody raced today? Yeah. Well, except Carlos.
Except me.
Carlos,
I didn't, and Stevie.
Carlos.
And Stevie, yeah. So more than half of our group was able to race today. Everybody had fun.
Oh yeah, even the fit ran.
Even the Honda Fit ran. What'd you do? What'd you do? 17?
17.8.
17.8. What'd you do? 17.8?
I don't know.
He did 17.8. You ran up with him. 17.8 or 17.7?
17.4.
No, mine was 17.896. So, yeah.
Chad ran like twice with his garage queen over there. And much respect to that. How much time are you in today?
13.5.
13.5, like what, 6 times?
15, 20 runs. Oh no, I got about 13, 14 runs.
Damn, what the? Okay, so this guy, he has he has his black Civic. I don't know if I recorded earlier in the day, but it is a Civic Type R, and it is bad. Hold on a second, let me turn this shit off and get my camera light. So like I was saying, I totally forgot about my lamp. I did bring it with me, but this guy right here, Civic Type R, ran 13 something about a handful of time. It's nice to see this up and close and personal and racing side by side. He came out here to support us as well as far as the CRX NorCal owners meet. And yeah, we're going to be capping out. Oh shit, I can see you clearly. But I want to give a quick shout out to everybody that came out today. I think we had a pretty good amount of people show up. You know, everybody had a blast, like I said. So it is getting dark and we are not racing Grudge. We were able to kind of hang around, eat some food, watch some races, but it is time for us to go since we've been here like all day. and really trying to make it home before I really fall asleep. So with that being said, guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and stick around for, actually I don't think there's anything else going on this weekend for me. If you guys are watching this video now, I may be out there at the Fresno EA vs. DA meet, so if you guys are around, stop by out there at Woodland or Woodward Park, and come by and say what's up. But I'm gonna cap out this video now, guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video.